i35equipment.com. This is the Terex TLB840 backhoe loader. It is four-wheel drive and has the extendable dipper stick, aka Extend-A-Hoe. We welcome you to come look at her for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Your mechanic and operator are welcome to join you if you like. If you need a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website and we'll get working on that for you and get you a hauling quote to your farm or job site. There goes the Extend-A-Hoe. Really nice, so you don't have to move the machine to get that extra reach if you just need to dig a little deeper or a little further. Hydraulic outriggers are coming up right now. There they go. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.